1999 Chevrolet Tahoe LS 4x4 two-door here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Carfax indicates a 3-owner vehicle. Actual miles, a little over 99,000 is all in this one at the moment. Vortec 5.7 liter, 350 cubic inch V8 underneath the hood that's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission. Let's take a look at the front end of this one. You can see custom billet grille, bug shield, chin spoiler down below. Got some bright work on the front of this one. Victory red paint, and as you can see, that shows well. All right, still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside, interior, engine bay, cargo area, uniqueclassiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Falcon 20-inch chrome wheels. Radial tires, and those are date-coded 2023. You'll be able to get a good close look up at the tread on those in the still pictures also. So tires looking good. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see around these wheel wells, not full of rust or corrosion. The lower rockers have been chromed also. Again, as you can see, a lot of chrome, bright work in this vehicle. Gray interior. Bench seat up front, so this will be 6-passenger seating in a Tahoe. We'll get around to the driver's side. Check that out a little closer, start it up, let you hear it run. But first, remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. You can see that rear wheel well, lower rocker looking good too. Barn doors in the back of this. Chrome in the rear bumper looking good. Trailering package. Receiver and wiring already on there. Once again, still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Technician did note brakes are 90%, front and rear. Was an intermittent ABS light on. Did not affect drivability, anything like that. If you like these Tahoes, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here. Recently had a Tahoe Sport in a 2-door also, of course. And we'll get 4 doors, Yukons. Like I said, subscribe to your YouTube channel. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. As we look up and down this driver's side, obviously just as nice of shape as the passenger side, really free of any rust, corrosion. Lower rockers around the wheel wells, paint has a nice shine to it. Let's look at this interior. Of course, nicely equipped too with power windows, mirrors, locks. Door panel looks good. Not a bunch of discoloration or aging on the armrest. Power seat over here. 60/40 split bench. Fold down armrest in the center. Tilt column, cruise control, AM, FM cassette. Let's look at the exact miles. There they are, 99,753. And remember, AC's cold, heat's hot. Top of the dash looks good. Radio in working order. Also have a CD player down below. Stereo sounding good. But the headliner. Headliner looks good. I've not noticed any rips, tears, holes, really much for any wear on the seats at all. You'll be able to see the rear seats in the still pictures, also in nice shape. Of course, those fold down. You'll be able to see it pictured both ways in the still pictures. Let's listen. I'd say what you'd expect a stock 99 Tahoe to sound like with that Vortec 5.7 liter. Let me slip up to the front. Let's get this hood open. We'll check out that engine bay, wrap up this little walk around video, and then stick around to the very end. Jason will take it for a drive, show you how it goes down the road. Pretty clean hood liner. Doesn't look like this thing's been driven really in inclement weather. That would explain how solid the wheel wells and lower rockers are. Here's it does have a newer AC compressor, and previous owner also noted the transmission was rebuilt in 2022, so not a ton of miles on it since it's been rebuilt. I'd say this is a nice clean rig. 1999 Chevrolet Tahoe LS 4x4 two-door. Actual mile vehicle. 3 owner indicated on the Carfax. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt,
gas it.
Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1999 Chevrolet Tahoe in red. The AC is blowing cold air today. The stereo is working as it should. Actually sounds pretty good. This in a nice red. The Tahoe, a fun, smaller than suburban-like vehicle. A lot in common with the Chevy CK series of the era. Very dependable. In 1999, one of the last years for this body style. Nice smooth road ride. Cruise control is functioning as it should. Very comfortable cloth seat in this Tahoe. Our fuel gauge is reading almost a quarter of a tank. The volts are charging over 14. The temperature is about a third of the way up the gauge. Approximately 190, right where you need it to be. And the oil pressure, approximately 50 to 55 pounds. Brakes feel good. Nice, quiet, no noises of any kind. Smooth riding vehicle. Corners easily. Just a very nice 1999 Chevrolet Tahoe, which you don't see that many of, and this one in a good red paint job. Take a look at all the pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.